I will new start chapter number 2, human nervous system. Nervous system. Whenever a person gets injury on his foot while walking, he feels pain and his hand immediately reaches the injured side. Who asks the hand to reach the site? In fact, there is an organ system in our body which carries messages from one part of the body to another and coordinates body function. This system is called nervous system. Human nervous system consists of central nervous system, CNS, and peripheral nervous system, PNS. Figure the central nervous system is composed of brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system consists of a network of nerves which connect the central nervous system to all parts of the body. Neuron or nerve cell. Neuron or nerve cell is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system. All parts of the nervous system, example brain, spinal cord, and nervous, are made up of neurons. Neurons transmit messages in the form of electrochemical waves called nerve impulses. Next, the part of a nervous which contains nucleus and most of the cytoplasm is called cell body. The fine projections of the cell body which receive messages are called dendrites. A long projection of the cell body which conducts messages away from the cell body is called axon. Terminal ends of the axon transmit the message to the next cells. Next topic is nerve. A nerve is cable-like bundle of axons enclosed in a common sheath. Nerve transmits message from one part of to another. Types of neurons. On the basic of their function, neurons are three types. Example: sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. Sensory neurons carry nerve impulses from sense organs, ears, eyes, skin, tongue, nose, etc. to the central nervous system. Motor nervous system carry nerve impulses from central nervous system to the effectors, muscles and glands, etc. The parts which respond to interneurons are present in central nervous system, brain, and spinal cord. They form a link between the sensory and motor neurons. Next, see the diagram, and we see next page. Central nervous system, CNS. Central nervous system acts as a control center of the whole nervous system. It comprises brain and spinal cord. Brain, human brain, enclosed in a bony skull called cranium, and consists of billions of interneurons. It is divided into the following parts. Forebrain. Forebrain is the largest part of the brain. It consists of three main parts: cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. Cerebrum is the most and the largest part of the brain. It is divided into right and left cerebrum hemispheres. Each hemisphere controls the opposite side of the body in general. The left hemisphere controls speech, comprehension, arithmetic, and writing. The right hemisphere controls creativity, spiritual abilities, speech, and muscle skills. Inside cerebellum, there is a small structure called thalamus. It controls many sensory functions. Hypothalamus lies at the base of thalamus. It controls body temperature, hunger, and thirst. Let's see the diagram. Midbrain. Midbrain is the smallest part of the brain which is present below the cerebrum. It receives information from sense organs which is then passed to the appropriate part of the forebrain. Hindbrain. Hindbrain consists of three parts. Example: cerebrum, pons, and medulla oblongata. Cerebrum lies under the back part of the cerebrum. It acts as a controller for maintaining the body balance and making precise and structured movements. Pons is an oval structure present beneath midbrain. It controls many functions like sleep, swelling, equilibrium, and taste, etc. Medulla oblongata forms the processory part of the brain, whereas it is connected with the spinal cord. Medulla oblongata controls habit, eating, and digestion, etc. Medulla oblongata keeps on working when the rest of the brain goes to sleep.